Warm-up problem number 3 asks us to solve this quadratic. It doesn't tell us how we have to do it. It doesn't say that rounding's okay, so solving by graphing, even if it's on the calculator part, is probably out. We cannot solve by square roots because I have b is not equal to 0. We could try to factor it. Numbers that multiply to 22 and add up to -6. 1 times 22, 2 times 11. None of those are going to give me -6, so it's not factorable. So that leaves completing the square or the quadratic formula. I'm going to show you both ways here, but I think it might be easier to solve by completing the square. A is 1, B is even, so when that's the case, completing the square is pretty easy. We are going to start by moving this 22 over so we have room to complete the square. To complete the square, we take the b value, 6 divided by 2, -3, squared is 9. If I add 9 here, I need to add 9 over here also. Factor. Numbers that multiply to 9 add up to -6 are -3 and -3, so it's x minus 3 and x minus 3. Square root both sides. Square root of -13 would be I root 13. And then add 3. If you had chosen to use the quadratic formula instead, it would look like this. My equation's already equal to 0. So x equals -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Four times 1 times 22 is 88. (36 minus 88 is -52. Reduce the square root of -52, so we've got I. 52 might take you a minute, especially if it's no calculator, but it's 4 times 13. So that's 2I root 13. And then to reduce it, we divide everything by 2. 3 plus or minus I root 13 all over 1. Same answer either way.